Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating a pre-sales receipt in StrategicERP. Navigate to the pre-sales receipt form under the Leads Management module. Select the project name and unit type. The carpet area and total unit amount will auto-populate based on the selected unit type. Enter the customer's name, mobile number, address and email ID. Select the source of funds and location as applicable. Select the waiting number if the customer falls under the token system. Check the enquiry detail checkbox and enter the enquiry number to link the receipt with the client enquiry. The source and source name fields will auto-populate based on the enquiry number. Under the Payment Details tab, enter the receipt amount and check number. Select the receipt date, payment mode, check date, bank name, branch name, deposit date and the bank in which the amount will be deposited. Check the multiple checks checkbox if the payment is made through more than one check. Click on Save and your data will be saved successfully. Once saved, you can view the record under the History tab. Click on Amount Received to upload the amount. You can also click on Submit to Account to send the data for further approval and verification. The process of creating a pre-sales receipt is now complete.